I will never understand sneakerheads, I guess, man, because I'm super confused by this. Everybody loves Jordan 1 sneakers, but for some reason, everybody is sleeping on this particular pair, and I just really don't understand why. It is ridiculous to me that people aren't liking this shoe. I just don't get it, man, because I really like it, but apparently the resale market and the hype market is saying otherwise. So it's interesting. Let's talk about it. I mean, it's all coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, and we are talking about sneakers today. One sneaker in particular though, which is in here, and I can't wait to open this up and tell you guys like my thoughts about it and what I think is going on with it. But before we do that, I do want to give a shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black is the premier minimalistic jewelry company, guys. I really love their products. You guys can see I'm actually rocking this one right here, which is the rose gold grenade necklace. I've been feeling this rose gold one a lot recently because I mean, against black shirts and stuff, gives it a little bit more pop. They have a huge selection of necklaces. They have a whole bunch of bracelets and stuff as well, even rings. So I highly recommend you guys check them out. Very affordable products, guys, and it just really adds to your style. So check them out, man. And if you guys go to the link in the description below, you guys can get 25% off your order as well as free shipping when you guys use that link. So head over to Rose Gold and Black, check them out, tell them Untied sent you. Now let's get into the unboxing. So like I mentioned, we have a Jordan 1 box. This one is in my size, and I actually picked it up from Sneakers app. And this is a pair of the Jordan 1 Bloodlines. Now, this pair is so confusing to me because this is actually the first time I've seen it in hand. And this is really, really nice, man. Like, I don't see any issues with quality or anything. So I'm very confused why people are sleeping on this model. To give you guys a more close-up view, this is what the shoe looks like. Jordan 1 Bloodline. And it's in like a typical kind of like bread colorway for the Jordan 1. So you have your black over here, red and white. The leather actually doesn't look too bad. I think on the white panels over here, it looks pretty clean actually. This is pretty solid leather. The back, it looks a little bit more stiff and not as clean, but overall, I mean, it's not bad quality. Colorway looks clean. It does come with extra sets of laces, so you have white laces over here, and then these special black laces as well. I think this is just a really clean design, man, and I really think this is like a solid sneaker, and I'm so confused why it's like so underrated. It's been out for a couple days now, and the thing is, I don't think it's sold out on Sneakers app, which is really strange for a pair of Jordan 1s. As you guys know, if you guys are like resellers or you guys into the hype market, you guys know Jordan 1s usually go for hundreds of dollars right after release, and they pretty much sell out instantly. That's not the case for this pair though. I think actually if we go to Sneakers app right now, there might still be shoes on the site, like literally right now. Let me check. If we go to in stock over here, they're still here. What the heck? Look at this. You can buy it for retail still on Sneakers app. That is so strange. Like, what the heck is going on? That is like sitting. A pair of Jordan 1s is sitting on Sneakers app, and it's not an ugly pair of Jordan 1s. Like, this is good. I can see if it was like a bad quality sneaker, but this one is not a bad quality sneaker, and the colorway is clean, guys. Like, this is a good shoe. And it's weird because not only can you buy this from the Sneakers app right now for retail, there's actually some people that bought these and thought they were bricks. So they sent them over to the resale apps, and they're going for less than retail, which, if you guys didn't know, that's a ridiculous thing to do, because if you guys bought these things from Sneakers, you guys can actually return them for free to Nike, like no questions asked. So yeah, I don't know why people sell it on the app for less than retail. That makes no sense. Pro tip to you. But that's why I'm just really confused with the hype market sometimes, and why I'm really confused with sneakerheads. Like, people want cool colorways, people want cool Jordans, and then they get mad when they can't get them online. And then these things come out and people just don't want them. Like, I don't think it was a matter of like production, like overproduction or anything like that. It looked like it was a pretty similar pair of Jordan 1s to like whatever we see normally. It's just people aren't getting behind it, and I'm not really sure why. However, I am fully behind this sneaker, guys. Like, I think it's a good colorway. Obviously, I'm a big fan of Jordan 1s, and I think that if you guys are like in the holiday season and you guys are looking for something to buy for like a loved one or a friend or something, I think that you should try to pick up this pair because, again, it's affordable, it's retail, and it's just freaking clean. So check that out, guys. Really confused on this one, but I mean, sneakerheads are confusing. Anyway, that is it, guys, but don't click away just yet because I have a quick announcement for you guys. There is a giveaway running right now for a free pair of $1,500 sneakers. If you guys are still watching this in the month of December, there's probably still time to enter. So basically all you got to do is subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram and on Twitter, and go to this video over here and you guys can enter on that video. You need to comment on that video. Don't comment on this video or it will not count. Good luck to you guys. $1,500 dream sneaker for somebody. It's a season of giving, so I just want to give back as much as I can. And the last thing that I want to do on this video is to give a quick shout out to the homies Kimmy and Sean Morgan. Kimmy actually sent me an email and told me that they had their anniversary recently. Very cool. Congratulations to you guys. And even better is that they are Duke fans, which I really appreciate because I am a huge JJ Redick fan, and she brought that up and I thought that was pretty sick. So happy anniversary to you guys. Thank you guys for watching the channel. Appreciate people like you that watch these videos. Anyway, that is it for this video, guys. Happy holidays, and until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoots.